Today is the 28th of November, and again let's have a brief look at the Nifty once again. Now, when I last posted my analysis 3 days back, we were here, and at that time we had forecasted a move up from the current levels to around 10,800 levels. The move did come up very nicely, and so we were long into this move, and the Nifty went up to around 10,770 levels. So now what? The thing is, over here today there was an extreme loss of momentum. There was really bad breath in the market, and there were reversal signals in a number of indexes and stocks. So we were looking to this move to be a 5-wave move as a possible start of a new impulse or a possible end of this whole move up. So this is the bearish count which I have put up back on the screen with 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 to end wave C of 2 on the whole Nifty structure. So as of now, there is a possibility that tomorrow the Nifty may go up and take out this high and around 10,800 to 10,850, and that would be the possible short-term high, after which the Nifty might fall very, very hard. So that is the first possibility. The second possibility is that the Nifty falls right from tomorrow's open. That is also a possibility that the Nifty may fall. Why is that so? Because we have a beautiful trend line here which is on the verge of being broken. And this again is a nice channel on which the Nifty was climbing. So if this channel is broken, then the Nifty may start to come down pretty fast tomorrow itself at the open. Or the third possibility is that the uptrend goes on with renewed vigor, and then we will consider more bullish counts. So as of now, in the last 1 hour, we closed all our longs in the afternoon itself, and then went short in some indexes and some public sector banks at the close. So tomorrow's price action and the day after tomorrow's price action will be very, very interesting in the Nifty. Look out, folks. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.